Quickly create quizzes to assess your learners. This tutorial shows how to create a new quiz. To begin, from Manage Quizzes, click New Quiz. Enter a name for your quiz. Navigate to Quiz Questions. Then, to populate your quiz, click Add Edit Questions. Here, you can add a new question, section, or question pool, or import existing questions from Question Library or a CSV. Click Add. Then select New Question. For this example, select Short Answer. Enter your question details. When you are satisfied with your question, click Save. Note, use the Save Actions menu to save in New to continue creating questions, or Save and Copy to create a copy of the question you created. Continue adding questions to your quiz. Click Import. Select Browse Question Library. And select the questions you want to import. For this example, we will add all existing questions to the quiz. Then, click Add. Your questions display. To change a question's properties, select its checkbox. You can delete the question or click More Actions. To toggle bonus status, toggle mandatory status, or change the set points value. For this example, delete the question. Note, deleting a question from a quiz will not remove it from Question Library. Confirm your selection. Questions can be rearranged using the handles to drag and drop the selection into a new location, or using keyboard-only navigation. When you are satisfied with your quiz, click back to Settings 4. Lastly, to add your quiz to your course, click Save and Close. Quickly create quizzes to assess your learners.